Somebody, if you know what you've been asking God for, if you know how you've been seeking God for many days, many years, hold this word and tell God that I am that stone the builders rejected. But I thank God because the stone that they threw away has become the chief cornerstone. The stone that was once rejected and wanted has become the chief cornerstone that has to complete the peace of God over the life, over the world, over the nations. I don't know what God is saying tonight, but I'm saying His word, I'm saying His will. I don't know who God is speaking to tonight, but He's definitely speaking to somebody. I'm also part of the ones that He's speaking to tonight. I don't know where you have been rejected. I don't know where you have been abandoned. I don't know where they have called you names. I don't know where they have what they have said about you, about your status, about everything about you. I don't know how they said you are not fit. I don't know how they said you are not worthy. I don't know how they said you do not qualify. But one thing I know for sure is that tonight God said in the book of Psalms 118 verse 22, the stone that the builders has rejected has become the chief cornerstone. Somebody, you are that stone tonight. Don't look down on yourself when God is saying you are the chief cornerstone. Don't look down on yourself when God is saying you are who you are. Situation may speak otherwise. People may speak otherwise. But whose report do you hear? Whose report do you take? Whose report do you hold? Tonight you are going to pray and say, there are many reports about my situations. There are many reports about my life, my destiny. There are many reports about my finances. There are many reports about my marriage. There are many reports about my health. But I choose to hear the report of God tonight because He is saying, I am the chief cornerstone. Yes, I may have been broken. Yes, I may have been useless. But tonight, He says, when the time is right, I, the Lord, will make it happen. It is not your own connection. It is not your own physical doing. Behold and see the glory of the Lord coming upon you tonight in this season.